Hey everyone, Chef Anthony here at Dawn's Appliances. So excited to be in the studio today. I'm having a good time. I have Erin in. Hi, Erin.
Hi, Chef.
Tell everyone hi.
Hi, everyone.
It's a special day. We got Erin in the studio, so we have. Let's get right to it, man. We have amazing, like a million topics Matt gave us. So what's our topics today? What are we talking about?
We're going to talk about the things that you don't know about appliances. Like different features, different things that you can get in appliances or about appliances that
the
you
things
might not know at home.
The things that are going to make you go All right, shoot us off with some of these. We have a great list here.
So I love color. I love it.
Yep.
I feel like people, black, white, stainless, that can get a little boring. Some people want a little splash of color.
A little bold.
So, one thing that's really unique, the Samsung came out with the Bespoke. You can change the panels on the refrigerator to orange, to green, to even pink, blues.
Yeah, I saw that,
So adding just a little splash of color, you can't get it in all the appliances. But they're interchangeable. So I think that's kind of fun. Blue Star is another brand. There's like 190 different color options.
Sure.
If you just want to add a little something that you wouldn't normally think about.
You're right. Kind of set yourself apart. You know what I mean?
You don't maybe do your cabinets a different color.
Yeah.
Yes.
You're right.
So color.
For the people that are tired of stainless, you need that bright pop. I love it. Color is, that's people don't think about.
No. And then going the opposite way of color, the Obsidian black interior.
Obsidian interior is
From
something
Jenner.
special.
I think that's awesome.
I mean, you don't realize it until you look in that refrigerator and then you look at another fridge.
Lights.
You're right. LED lighting. If you're not familiar, the Obsidian has all black interior with LED lighting. It really makes food and items pop, from
especially like logos.
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like I always, whenever I'm kind of talking about that, one of the things I say is, when was the last time you put anything Obsidian or dark in your refrigerator?
Sure.
Typically, if you do, it has a bright logo, so that's really going to help it pop and wow.
You're right. Kind of find everything.
Yes, absolutely.
What else is on the list of good things?
So, LG Styler.
Oh, this is great. Yeah.
I feel like we've talked about this a million times, but honestly, I'd talk about it a million more.
For everybody out there, give us a little preview of the Styler.
So the Styler is essentially a drying cabinet, a steam cabinet that you can add garments in, you can refresh, you can steam, you can press. But it's just, instead of using your dryer, which steam dryers are also awesome if you have to go that direction or you don't have space.
Yeah.
But you add the clothes in, it's going to help shake, it's going to incorporate that steam. No water line needed. It's just a little reservoir at the bottom. Super easy to clean.
Another quick, it's a little quick taste of luxury, I call it. I love that. Quick taste of luxury.
Absolutely. On the topic of washer and dryers, the wash tower.
Ooh, I love this. The wash tower is great. For all of you people out there that can't or height challenge, that can't reach that.
High heels on right now.
I swear I'm shrinking too, but it's just so convenient to have both sets of controls in the center.
Absolutely.
And the wash tower, it's sleek. It's not an ugly looking piece.
No.
When it's built in, what I mean?
It's great for second floor laundry, for closet laundry, just kind of set back in.
Sure.
I love
garage. Yeah,
Yes.
I agreed.
On the topic of laundry as well, the GE Profile all-in-one washer dryer.
This is catching a lot of heat, man. This is a good thing.
I have opinions about it.
Get it catching a lot of heat. Yeah.
So I think so I love the idea about it, and what I like about it too is it's not that deep.
Yes.
But it's also really great for secondary. I've had actually a couple customers do two of them, one downstairs, one upstairs, which I think would be really cool, because then, if you want to do like your kids' laundry upstairs, your normal towels, sheets, it's just giving you a little bit more flexibility. You don't have to move things over.
I love it because I'm a habitual person that forgets to take it out of the washer and trip it over. You know what I mean? I mean, I'm good at a lot of things. I mean, my laundry, you could use a little pressing in the new year, but
that styler would be great for you.
You're right. The styler would be great for me. The all-in-one. I mean, I think that's something that's really going to be here to stay for a long time.
I think so too. And we talked about laundry, which is totally my thing. Let's talk about something that Chef is really good at: cooking. Infrared, rotisserie, temperature probe. Let's talk about it all.
The in-wall oven rotisserie that is elusive. In that thermal brand, it's a built-in rotisserie motor. I love that. I've been using it for 10 years now, and still customers. I was talking to a customer yesterday in the showroom, and they're like, "What, a rotisserie? What's a rotisserie going to do?" So think about rotisserie like pineapple, vegetables, chicken. anything
People
you
think
want.
just immediately chicken, and you already opened my mind to like more
You know, I do like a
possibilities.
chili brown sugar pineapples, you know, that I roast in there. They're unbelievable. But, you know, that's a great feature. Obviously, the roast probe with the, you know, internal roast probe in all the ovens and ranges.
For people who don't want to kind of question what the temperature is,
If
for
you don't
meat,
want to,
having
you
that
don't want to
kind of
slice into that
foolproof.
chicken, you know what I mean, to see if it's
So it's
done or
pink,
not.
yeah.
Now, you know, they're all app-based, so it's very easy to work, very easy to use. A lot of the manufacturers will give you a text alert when it reaches temperature, so you know everything's good. Then the oven will go down to a keep warm setting, so you don't overcook it.
Truly foolproof.
It really, yeah, it is foolproof, but it really, for a fast-paced lifestyle, it really helps you out. You know, because in the grand scheme of things, we don't want you opening and closing the oven door, man. We want you to put something in, close the oven door, set it, and forget it. So, you know what I mean?
Love
That's a great one as well.
So we live in Pennsylvania, and we experience all 4 seasons. So all your grilling is not an option outside unless, you know, that's your thing.
Yeah.
But let's talk about indoor grilling.
You know, indoor grilling, I mean, infrared grill, I mean, even on our 48-inch ranges and our modular pieces, I mean, that's getting a lot of, you know, headway. I mean, it's really high BTUs. I mean, you're getting that quick sear. You're going to see great results that you would see outside, but you don't have to take the steps outside in those cold, snowy feet. So think about that to get, you know, great kebabs, great steaks, even, you know, sear some burgers off, get that flame broiling effect. I love it.
Grilling in the home.
Grilling in the home, yeah, grilling in the home. You know?
Another thing too, induction. I feel like as long as it's been around, it's still one of those things I feel like we in the showroom are getting a lot of questions about.
Yeah.
And now more than ever, especially with, you know, some states now, all new homes have to go induction versus gas. Kind of what are the benefits of induction? What is induction?
So, I mean, our induction, we'll sell that in the 15, 30, and 36-inch models, but induction is really magnetic reaction. So you have a ferrous pan, ferrous metal, and it really creates that magnetic reaction, creates that friction, creates that energy, produces that heat. So
I always say it works like gas, but looks like electric, so cleaning is a breeze. I mean, I've seen you cook on induction literally over a paper towel.
Yes, over a paper towel or parchment. It keeps it super safe. It's super heat. It is probably the #1 selling, you know, cooktop, heating top that we sell. So it's just, everyone loves it. I mean, we have a ton of videos on it, but it's here to stay for a long time. Can we squeeze a couple more in?
How about air fry?
Ooh, that's a great one too.
I feel like that was a huge topic between like the end of 2022 into 2023, and I feel like it's here to stay in 2024.
It is. Now it's
not going anywhere.
Now it's fully engulfed. So it used to just be in the ranges. Now we're in the wall ovens. Now we're in anything with really a convection fan. It has that air fry effect. So now we have, you know, it gets it off the countertop.
Healthier cooking.
Healthy cooking. You know, we're going to get that great sear. We're not deep frying it, but, you know, we have the space in our ranges that really open it up to do a bigger batch for the whole family. We don't have to do, you know, in that little bucket and shaking around and things like that on a tabletop. Now
They're heavy.
Yeah, they are. You know, they're heavy. It comes from, and no one likes anything on their island. That's it. We like it built in, right? You know.
Just eliminate one more thing in the kitchen and get the clutter. And I think
one more. Give me one more. Last quarter minute we have.
Honestly,
putting you on the spot.
Dual ice maker, craft ice, ice makers in general.
Ice makers in general. So you got craft ice balls. You got different style ice makers. So even some boast 4-way ice or something like that with the crushed in the cube. But that's all for us. You know what I mean? Check us out at dawnsappliances.com. Erin, thanks so much for having
Thank you.
Bye.